Hello, Odd Job Doer here. And even though I said I wasn't going to do anything for a while because of the massive couch I worked on yesterday, I'm back here with a little project. Once again, same brand, the VIMLE. And if you can see here in the little picture, or maybe I'll take up this picture here, you see that? It's a little ottoman. Yeah, with storage. That should be handy. And this one here is actually the Gunford dark green, I believe. It could be any color, but this one is the dark green. So, like the other ones, I'll start by taking care of this box. And I showed this on the other couch trick, the love seat, but you got this here strap, right? You know, it's strong. You don't want to really grab it too much for you know, it says don't lift by the straps, but you know what? You have a little trick here. Turn it over like so. Just kind of give it a peel, and you can easily untwist the parts together to snap it. So get rid of that one there. Do the same on the bottom. Let's see here. Let's go. Snap. And we'll lay this down and open it up. Alright, so there's the top off the box, and sure, it's white, but how do I know this is the Gunford green? It's because of this package here, right? So when you purchase the furniture like this, that you couches, and you need to pre-assemble them or assemble them at home, you need to make sure you grab the cover for them. Otherwise, it'll just be an unprotected, you know, parts of the couch. So, take this thing out of the box. You can see there, maybe you can't see with the camera, but it's actually a cushioned surface. And so I'm assuming this is the top. And lifts out like so. You can see underneath there we got some parts already hanging there. Taped in pretty good. Alright. And take that out. There. So, grab this, bring it aside. And there is the storage, as well as the manual. Once again, kind of like the other thing when they have storage is you don't want to do this to your storage. You know, no foot, no stepping inside the storage box. Alright, let's retrieve that manual there. Alright, so something like that there. Looks pretty simple. Should be. VIMLE. That's how to pronounce this again. And let's see here. So, simple here. You got your parts. This thing here. You got some bolts in there. Actually, got a few different bolts. Special key thing. You got a special bracket up here that comes with it. This middle one here, the feet, the non-skid coasters. And it goes something like this. Actually, once again, not by yourself. Well, that's me. There's some other people. The foot, manual. Those parts we just looked over. And voila. So, step one, you turn the base, which is that down there, on its side upside down, and you put the feet in. Step two, you put the pads on, which once again I'm not because this is a carpet surface, and maybe we'll add them later if it slides too much if requested to. Three, you put the top on, and four, you put the cover on. So, alright, so I turn it over on the side like it shows in the book, and you just take the foot here, right, one of these little foot here legs, and just screw them into the bottom. Like this here, and you know, hand tighten them in, no tools required. And then do that to the other 3 holes, and you end up something like that. So, that part there is done. Now, since we're talking about the legs and the hardware, let me show you what else comes in this box. Let's get this stuff here. Now, they have the legs I'm using, these long ones. They have these short ones. In case in point, apparently older models have a shorter leg that kind of came with them. Newer ones are about 1 inch taller. Alright, maybe it's for comfort. Now you have this middle bracket here, that middle bracket there, both real metal. You have this plastic deal, which I believe goes upside down like that, and then a leg will actually fit right in there. And so all this other stuff, including this bag of tricks here, and you know, more legs, all that goes to a couch. And in this unit, if you wanted to do a little add-on option, so something like this picture here, kind of hard to see, but right up here, this here is the footstool added onto the couch, and with those plastic legs and the holders, that should hold this in place, so it's almost like a part of the couch, like another chase. Or you could always lift it out and move it around. You just have these plastic things sticking out, or maybe turn them in. I don't know. All I know is that this design that we're doing is a free floating ottoman. So the next part we'll work on is getting the colors on. This right here. So just open this up and get the parts out. Alright, so here's the instruction manual for the cover. Right there, so I separated them. The top back there and the base here. And let's see what we got here. So the cover here. Once again, they want you to not go in alone. They want teamwork on this cover, right? And over here, they talk about you know, take it out. You can iron it. You know, make sure you don't iron the wrong side. Some covers you don't want to put the iron on it because it'll probably just melt the area. Okay, this is an important part. So for the base here, the cover that goes on the base has a slit that's longer on the top than the bottom. Right, and it shows these 2 people rustling around here. And ta-da, it's done. And it's over there. You don't bind it up, you follow the seam line. And what else we got here? We got here the top part. It looks like you lay upside down. You put it like that, do like that. Right, you catch it on. So then comes this part here. See, if you want it there at the end of the couch, you flip your couch up over, you unscrew some stuff, you put that heavy-duty bracket in there. That right there, you screw it in, and then you, what do you do here? You screw it in there. You got this one here, you put in the other bracket. No, you screw the other part in for the bracket. Here's the other bracket. Here, you put that in this part of the couch. And let's see, can I flip the page again? Alright, so here it shows you put that bolt in. And over here, put that bolt in. Like each step is a bolt. That's crazy. Alright, so then we got this part here. You put in the plastic piece and you put the leg. Looks like holds it into the metal bracket you just put in. You put a leg in there, and cap on it, and then basically there you go. Like I said, just lift it up, put on those places there to hold your leg in place. But all that's wasted because we're not doing that. We're just going to put this thing on. Now, what I like to do here is start at a corner and make sure you got your. Alright, so this one here, this one's actually quite a bit deeper than this one up here. So flip it around and make sure you have the long side going towards the left. And this here, this is just a loop of material. Right, just a loop of material here. No breaks in it. And so get your long side here and lay it up on that corner right there. Let's see. All right. So you cut it up like that. Bring it down to the end here. Make it all nice and straight upon it, like so. And then it's basically just taking the bottom part, making sure you're on that line, and folding it over. And then the top part, tucking your tag, and it comes up and over and inside. Like I said, this here goes up, over, and inside. Alright, and then you just give it a tug and start at the other end. Down here. And you do the same thing. Give it a pull. Now it's anchored down at that end. Give it a pull here, making sure that seam line's lined up right, and just put the bottom part on, and this part up and over. There. And then you can just work this seam down on this side, work the top one down, and just, keep working it until you wrap it around the whole thing. Alright, so it looks like that now. Alright, you see how that inner lip there kind of overlaps it and goes down it? Now then, the other part, the top part there. Do our focus on that. And right there, we just need to take it here and let's see here. Bring it on over. Got the top part here facing the camera, sort of. All right, and this is pretty much foolproof. You have this cloth here, only goes on one way, so you unfold it, find out the long way there, bring it around, drape it over, make sure you get any dust or anything that might have hopped on it, and simply just slide it over, making sure that your seams in the corner here, match up. And you have this little spot down here, that goes over and just kind of hugs this round part. In fact, a lot of times you take this part out. Sure, we didn't put it in there, but unscrew it, the leg, and then drop on the floor, and then you'll be putting it on right there. So you got Velcro here and Velcro here, and then the hole is up in here, right there. And so take it and you wrap your Velcro over the tops here, like that, and like that. And then after you got all situated, you'll put the foot right back in here and actually hold down this corner. Alright, so I'll continue just to do the rest of this here. Alright, so you can see there how it kind of overlaps the sides here, and when you take this off, you put it back down, you can actually hold on to the corners of the material. So the last thing left to do with this, and finish this assembly, is basically you got the base down there, and the top part. You saw the little nubs on the top part. Well, they will just basically fit in the corners of the base, and just kind of plop it down like so. There. That there completes the VIMLE Ottoman. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know down below, and thanks for watching. Bye. After doing some of this furniture assembly here, it's come clear that maybe IKEA should start a little recycling program if they haven't already. Because these here are extra feet, the short ones, not even used. And believe it or not, would you look at all the specialized tools? Look at that. I only have 2 hands. What do you need, like, 8 of these things for? And, they're not too industrial. You don't want to work on cars with these, probably. So if there was a place to, take them, drop them off, and they could, repackage them in new IKEA products, that would probably be a little bit helpful on the environment. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.